Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the stick in hand, so start by confirming the battery indicator or LED to know current state. Press and hold the power button for 2-3 seconds to initiate shutdown. This is usually the same button used to pair. Once done, watch the LED. If it flashes then fades, the unit is powering off. Make sure to release the button when the light goes out. Holding longer can trigger pairing mode instead of turning it off. If the primary button fails, look for a slide switch labeled on /OFF and move it to OFF for an immediate hardware shutdown. This avoids accidental pairing. Once done, you can also open the battery compartment and remove the rechargeable cell if the stick still behaves oddly. Do this only when powered down. Make sure to unpair the stick in your phone's Bluetooth settings so the phone won't attempt to reconnect automatically. Finish by visually confirming the LED is dark and your phone no longer lists the device. Then store the stick with the clamp closed and the switch in OFF to prevent accidental activation. If the stick refuses to power down, perform a factory reset if available, typically a long button hold, or let the battery fully discharge and then recharge. This often clears firmware glitches. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer for a repair or replace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.